Quezon City.
That's Nico.
And of course, everyone here in the riding community. We will continue to grow, to ride, and to build something meaningful, one journey at a time.
Yung mga bibili ng mga motor nila, gagawa tayo ng history, sama kayo sa amin. And the lifelong memories we're going to create.
At ribbon cutting na sila ngayon around mga 5 p.m. or 6 p.m. At papasukan natin mamaya ang showroom ng Royal Enfield dito sa Quezon City.
That's Nico. Limburang guys!
Nagkagulo na. Nakaharap ba dito? Nakaharap doon.
Okay. So we can
Oh, mas maganda nakaharap dito, di ba?